and today I'm going to show you how to use translation tools in Seesaw. We know that Seesaw users speak multiple languages. At Seesaw, we continually work to support our global community. Seesaw translation tools give teachers and families a way to translate content into Seesaw into over 55 languages.
Right now I'm signed in as a family account.
Translation tools appear underneath notes, captions, comments, announcements, and messages in Seesaw when the original text is written in a language that is different from the language of the user's device. You'll know when translation is available because a See Translation button will appear underneath translatable text. Take a look right here. When you tap See Translation, Seesaw will automatically translate the text into your native language. If you tap See Original, you can revert the text back to the original language it was written in. As a reminder, See Translation only appears for teachers and parents, not students. This feature is available on all Seesaw platforms. We hope Seesaw translation tools are helpful in your classroom. If you have any other Seesaw questions, visit our Help Center at help.seesaw.me and check out our social media channels for tips and tricks for using Seesaw in your classroom.